What I'm doing today is I'm trying to change the BIOS battery on this old laptop. The BIOS battery is dead. This is an old Citidesk computer system, and so the battery for the BIOS is dead. Every time I turn it off, I must set my date and time again, and that's annoying. So there are two screws here in the back I gotta remove. I've checked inside here. Inside here, it's only the RAM memory, so it's not where the battery for the BIOS is. So I'm guessing it probably is under the keyboard. Usually on laptops, that's where they place it. So I'm gonna pull the keyboard. I gotta remove these screws. If they come out, it is undone but doesn't want to come out. Funny little thing. Okay, so I pulled that one out. I'm gonna open the thing, and hopefully this part now will lift up. Yes, this part lifts up, and I can pull out the keyboard. Gotta move it around. There are some tiny little pins here on the sides. That are still holding it in place, so I gotta press those. One side or another. Oh, okay. I got it out. And as you can see right now, the BIOS battery, I'll try and adjust the camera. Oh, sorry. The BIOS battery is here. So, that one is dead. I'm gonna pull it out, disconnect the plug, and now I'm gonna have to change this one. This is something that I pulled out of an old laptop, but right now I don't think I have any more of these, so I'm gonna try and fit a new one here. Okay, what I'm doing now is I have here this old motherboard, which still has the BIOS battery in it. It's smaller than the other one, but I've checked with the multimeter it has charge, so I'm gonna desolder that. I'm gonna okay, desoldered that, and here I got the tiny little thing, and it still has charge, so I'm gonna now check which side is the positive and which side is the negative, because I can't remember anymore. So, okay, the left side is positive and this is negative. This still gives me 250 charge. Probably it will last a couple days or a couple weeks, I'm not sure. It was giving more. Oh no, 252. That's pretty much the same. 252. This is a 3-volt battery. It's a bit dead, not completely, but okay, I'm gonna use it anyway and see how long it lasts. Now I'm simply going to weld these. I'm going to weld these wires there. And install it to the computer. Okay, place it around here where I can apply heat. It'll be better like this. And I'm going to solder this in place. Okay, positive is done. Now for the negative. And I got the thing soldered. Just check on this side once again that I got power. Yeah, it's working. I'm gonna apply a bit of heat shrink. Gonna cover the thing, don't want it to touch any other stuff inside. Because that might give me trouble. Okay. Alright. Shrink this. And apply that to the computer. No, the old motherboard can go away. Lift this up, zoom out. Adjust the camera, zoom in. Okay. And now I got here the connection. I'm gonna put it into place. And put it there where it belongs. And just pop this on and give it a go. think you can see right now. But shit. Right now I got it going. Entering setup. I'm gonna I'm gonna set the time for that, and hopefully it will last. Okay. Main date. Today is the 17th. Okay, I gotta use the F keys to change it. Today is the month is the 3rd. Holy shit. Day it's 17, and year it's 2018. Now what time is it? Let me check on my mobile phone. Set this. So time, it's 11:10 in the morning. 11:10. I'm gonna take it to 11, and so now F10, save and exit. Press the F10 key, save and exit. I'm not gonna go yet because I want to set the choices. Okay, after everything done, I got here the machine running. Time and date are correct, and now let's see how long it will last. I ran out of bat on the other video I was recording, I'm sorry, but all I did was I've placed the keyboard back in place, put those 2 screws on the back that I had removed as you've seen earlier, and that's it. Hopefully it will last at least a couple weeks. If not, I'll buy a new one.